We are doing GCE O-Level 2014 Additional Mathematics Paper 2, Question 5a. In this question, we are asked to express this equation as a quadratic equation in X and explain why there are no real solutions. Now let's try to solve for X from this equation. What we should do is we can combine the two log into a single log. Before that, we need to bring the 2 up here. We are applying the law of logarithm, where the number here you can bring up to the power here. Now we can combine the two log into a single log. If you have log A minus away log B, these two log can be combined into a single log by taking this A divided by this B. So here, can combine these two log into a single log, taking this x squared divided by the x minus 4. Now we want to get rid of the logarithm by changing the logarithm form into the exponential form. Changing to exponential is easy. What you can do is this term here you copy down, we follow the arrow to move the a and the y to this position here. So now here we copy down this expression and we follow the arrow to move the base into here, and this will be the power of 2. Now we solve for the equation 8 times x, 8 times 4. This will give us a quadratic equation. Cannot be factorized. Let's solve using the quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We notice this value here give us a negative value. That is to say there is no solution for these quadratic formulas. Okay, let's focus on the number inside the square root. Minus 8 square minus 4 times 1, 32. This will give us 64 minus 1, 28, which is a negative 64. Okay, in fact, what we are doing here, we are actually finding the discriminant of this quadratic expression. This is the discriminant, and it worked out to be minus 64, which is less than 0. If the discriminant is less than 0, that means there is no real solution for this equation here. Again, basically, we are trying to square root a negative value here. That's why this formula does not give us the solution. We conclude our statement here. Now we are doing question 5b. We are asked to express y as a power of x. Let us simplify this equation by multiplying the term by this expression here. So we will have 8 multiplied by this, 0 multiplied by this will be 0. Now we notice that the base of these two logarithm is not the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to the base of x. By applying the change of base formula, this will give us change to log base x, this expression here. I would like to share how I remember the change of base formula. For example, if I want to change this base a to c, what I can do is I'll write the base that I want first, log base c, then I'll take this alphabet and put in this position, take this alphabet and put in this position. So for example, I want to change the log base 2 to log base 10. I'll write log base 10 over log base 10 is 3 over 2. So it's log base 10 3 divided by log base 10 2. This expression can be simplified into 1. Log base xx will give you a value of 1. This is a property of logarithm. Now if you notice this expression here and this expression here, they are the same term. So to simplify the question, what I can do is I will let a to be log base xy. If I were to rewrite this using a equal to log base xy, it will become a squared plus 8 over a equal to 0. So a cubed plus 8 equal to 0, a cubed equal to negative 8. A will give us a negative 2. But this is not the answer yet. We have to go back to this expression here. So a take the value of negative 2. Okay, a take the value of negative 2. So from here, I change the logarithm form to exponential form. So x to the power of negative 2 will be y. Okay, I follow this arrow to change to the exponential form. Or simply y equal to 1 over x squared. Okay, we got the answer. We have expressed y as a power of x.